What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Dynamic AI Tech. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful YouTube automation tools available. And I'm going to prove it to you live on screen. But first, let me show you why this matters. There's a YouTube channel called Broken Earth. No face, no camera, no host, just fully automated, faceless videos about the incredible and terrifying forces that shape our world. They have 18,000 subscribers, 89 videos, and last week alone, they pulled in over 281,000 views. They're uploading about 7 videos every single week and estimated to be earning between $4,000 and $12,000 every single month. That is the power of YouTube automation done right. The right niche, the right consistency, and the right tools, and anyone can build something like that. The tool making videos like that possible is called VidRush AI. It creates completely faceless videos, fully produced, ready to upload to YouTube automatically. No camera, no editing, no voiceover. You have to record yourself. The whole thing is handled by AI. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works live on screen using a top 10 video about the creepiest unsolved mysteries in America as my example. But this is just one example. You can do this for any topic: travel, history, finance, fitness, true crime, technology, anything. And VidRush doesn't just do top 10 lists. It also builds full documentary style videos, the kind that look like something from a major YouTube channel. New features are coming too: animations, 3D animations, commentary tools, and more that are going to make this even more powerful. But today, we're going to keep it simple. We're going to go auto mode, not manual. Just a few clicks, and then a finished video. If you've been looking for a real way to automate your YouTube channel and actually grow it, this is it. And before we get going, be sure to like and subscribe to Dynamic AI Tech, because we are finding the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get as content creators. Okay, so here we are, and in my previous video, I did a 10 to 11 minute demo of VidRush on manual mode. And manual mode, it's a bit more complicated. It's a lot more in depth. However, if you have the time, I would recommend trying to create videos in manual mode, because you do have a lot more control over the content that you do create. But today, we are going to be generating our video in auto mode because we want this to be short and sweet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we choose the proper production model, and we're going to be Deep Video V1 Pro. And then we are going to do a top 10 video, and our duration, let's see here. We're going to go 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so we're going to pivot just a little bit. I had the 10 greatest unsolved paranormal mysteries in America plugged into here, and then it gave me a warning, not a warning, but a notification that there may not be enough footage, limited footage for the video. So I went back to Claude to help me generate my ideas, and it came up with the top 10 greatest unsolved mysteries of all time. So this is what we're going to go with, and it gave me the new prompt and the title, and let's go ahead and create this video. On to step number 2. Oh, this is step 1. Okay, voiceover selection. All right, cool. All right, let's choose our voice.
I am your friendly voice, Arthur. There comes a time when wisdom fits your...
No.
Stay committed to your decisions.
Nope.
Did you know that your brain is constantly...
You're now listening to your cool, calm, and collected.
Nope.
Riddles unlocked.
And these voices are coming from 11 Labs.
The silence in the room wasn't empty. It carried the...
If you're looking for a modern Brit...
The clock ticked steadily, marking the time until a revelation.
And our theme, we have crime theme, history, modern, minimalist, and standard theme. Yeah, all right, we'll go with crime theme. Let's come down here and continue. A few different backgrounds to choose from, and we're going to go with one of my favorites. This one right here, which is the grid pattern thumbnail reference. Okay, so this says pick or enter a custom thumbnail reference that our AI thumbnail generator will use as inspiration for style. So let's come down here. Let's come up here. Oh, I like this one. And we're going to continue. All right. And that's it. Right now we're in queue. Our video is being processed. All right, the video is done processing, and what we're looking at is very similar to the timeline that we saw in the manual mode. So not much is different. What made it so much easier was I didn't have to put in all those prompts and answer all the questions like I had to do in manual mode. It was really very quick to create this video. It took about an hour to process, and now we have a little bit more work to do, right? So with VidRush, it'll get you about 80% of the way. So that 20% is going to be music. It's going to be activating the captions. It's going to be any edits that you want to make to get it up to 100% ready to rock and roll. But let's just take a quick peek at how it turned out.
You're counting down 10 mysteries that humanity has never
Now, keep in mind, I'm not going to play the whole 16-minute video. I'm just going to scrub through just to give you an idea of what we're looking at here.
solved. From vanished colonies and ghost ships to ancient machines that should not exist and killers who were never caught, each entry on this list has defied every infamous for stories of sudden.
Yeah, so it added some text and transitions and some sound effects, and it did a great job. And to be honest with you, I checked out some of the other viral YouTube channels that are using VidRush, and this is all they have. There's no fancy music, no super fancy transitions. It's just this. But what I would like to do is I would like to add some music, and I would like to add captions. And what's interesting is the other videos I saw on those YouTube channels using VidRush didn't have captions, but I like captions. So the question is, the first thing I would like to do is turn on captions. And how in the world do you do that? So there are a couple ways you can do that in VidRush. And if you go over here to captions, you can upload a script file or paste your script here. Now, I don't really understand why you would do that, because all you need to do to turn the captions on is to come over here to this gear icon, and you'll find some other functions you can turn on and turn off and toggle to your liking. All right, so over here you have the background color, and let me stop this video. You have overlay, drop shadow, you have show transitions, enable captions. So right here, you can enable captions in VidRush by toggling this on. And as you see on the left side, this is still active where it says upload script. So what you want to do is click off of this and then click back on. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Yeah, so this is slightly temperamental for me. So let me just click on the video. Okay, so here we are, and I just double clicked the captions itself. And as you can see, you can make changes on the left side, and on the top,
in 1945,
you will see style. You can't change the voice because your voice has already been stamped in the video, but you can change the style of your captions. I like the transparent background right here, and you can change the color, and we'll just stick with this one. And there you go. So those are your captions. Activated. Done. That is how you find your captions, and you can do some modifications just by clicking the settings icon on the right side. And now on the right side, you can also export this as a template. You can export the transcript, and then you could download the thumbnail, which I will do. And I probably will not wind up using that. Again, we are just using that as a reference. I use a software called OpenArt AI, and I will leave a link below in the description to that program. And if you get your prompt right, it will create for you anything that you want. I wind up creating about 10 to 12 different thumbnails before I actually decide on choosing one. And then I will also use ChatGPT or Claude or one of my LLMs. I'll drag the thumbnail in and have it do an assessment of the thumbnail to let me know the virality of that thumbnail. And that has been extremely helpful, and it'll give me suggestions, and then it will also reprompt it. And you can also add up to 9 tracks. And let me show you how to add a track. I have all 9 added, but if you look again at the gear icon on the right side, just scroll down, And you can, your sound controls, you know, raise and lower your template, sound effects, a video, overlay, magnetic snapping. You can turn on, toggle on or off. And then here's the zoom in or out. So I can see the entire work environment. And then keep going down, and here we go, rows. So here are my tracks or my layers or rows, and I have 9 tracks already set. I wonder if VidRush will add to those tracks. And this is where I'm going to add my audio. Now let's talk about audio for a second. So let's come on over here and press audio. I don't really understand why there are only 3 tracks here, and they're not even that good. So I don't know how to search audio. If someone knows how to do that, just leave a comment, and I would really like to do that. But what I will be doing today is I will be using a program called SUNO AI. You guys know I live on SUNO. I eat, breathe, sleep SUNO when it comes to music. I have a lot of control over that, but we're going to create our SUNO, our music track in SUNO, and we are going to import that. And to import our music, you are going to go to, on the left side, you're going to go to local, and then you would upload your track. And I don't have the track created quite yet. Let's just pretend that this is the track, and all you would do is upload it, and then you would drag it in to your desired location. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to delete that because that is actually one of my original songs. And I'm sure you guys don't want to hear my original song while this video is playing. All right, so again, on the left side, you can add text, and you just drag and drop it in to your liking. And then audio, again, we already established that I'm not very happy with the offerings or the library. And captions, we already talked about that. Images, you can search images within VidRush. And here are animations, and I added a subscription animation, and then you can add your own. You would just upload in the local folder. And then here are transitions, and you can add transitions to your liking. But let's go ahead and go to SUNO and grab our music for this video, which is the top 10 greatest unsolved mysteries of all time. Okay, so here we are in SUNO, and I will leave a link in the description, and you just press create. And all we want is instrumental, so we're going to toggle this instrumental button on, and now it's only instrumental, and our song description, unsolved mysteries. And when I hit create, SUNO will create for me 2 tracks. Okay, so it's still generating, but we can sample these. Let's go ahead. Yeah, so that is the perfect background music for this track. Okay, and as you have noticed, I generated a number of tracks because the video is 16 minutes long and I wouldn't want to repeat songs. All right, so we got our tracks, downloaded those. So let's go back to VidRush. Now we are back in VidRush. We're going to go to local to delete my original song. So we grabbed our tracks, we uploaded them. Now I'm going to just drag and drop them into our work environment. And let's hear how they sound. And we are going to adjust the volume. You will notice that they are way too loud.
Rogue waves towering over 30 meters, sudden methane eruptions bubbling up from the seafloor, or magnetic anomalies.
Okay, not bad. We definitely want to lower the volume a little bit. So I'm going to double click on the audio track.
Camp on the slopes of Kolatsiachel.
All right, we're going to drop it down to about 30%. And let's go ahead and drag in our other audio tracks.
That humanity has never solved. From vanished colonies, no match. The crash.
And the other thing I wanted to show you was right here, the timing, the speed of the voice. It was at 1 before, and it was a bit too slow for me. And I want the story to move a little bit faster. So I set it to 1.25.
That humanity has never solved. From vanished colonies and ghost ships.
All right, now I think this video is a lot more engaging. It has original copyright-free music created from SUNO AI. It has the captions included in here, so that makes it a bit more engaging. It's not bad. I am really excited to put this up on my Signs and Secrets YouTube channel. If you guys would help me out, head over there. I'll leave a link in the description below because I think I have 2 subscribers on that channel. I've had it for about a year and a half, and I really haven't done much with it at all. So this is a perfect opportunity to ignite that channel and also test VidRush, right? That's why we're doing this. So what do you guys think about the software? Let me know in your comments below. Is it missing anything? What I can see is that it is missing a couple things that I would like an audio library. And please let me know if I'm wrong, if I just can't find it. And let's go ahead and render this video. And there it is, folks. A fully produced, ready to upload, completely faceless YouTube video built in minutes with nothing but a topic and a few clicks. Remember Broken Earth that I mentioned at the start? 18,000 subscribers, 281,000 views, 7 videos every single week, earning up to $12,000 a month. No face, no camera, just consistent automated content in a niche people love. That's not luck, that's a system, and VidRush is how you build that system. The mystery topic today was just an example. You can do this for any niche, any audience, any topic. Top 10 lists, documentaries, educational content, entertainment. VidRush handles all of it. Pick a niche you're passionate about, stay consistent, and the growth will follow. Drop a comment below. Tell me what niche you want to build your automated channel in. And I read every comment, and I will respond to your comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.